welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, ituturo ko sa inyo paano ba i-manage ang inyong tax info. Pagka-login nyo sa Google Adsense, punta lamang sa Payments Info and then i-click ang Manage Tax Info. And then i-click ang Tax Info. Click Start Tax Form. Then, ilagay nyo lang yung password nyo. What type of account is your name? Syempre, individual. Click Next. Are you a citizen or resident of the United States? Syempre, hindi. Click No. Then Next. Select WA tax form type. Syempre, wala naman tayo sa US, kaya ito ang pipiliin natin. Then start WBBEN form. I-type ang citizenship, of course, Philippines. Foreign TIN. Siyempre, kailangan po natin i-provide ang ating TIN number. Then, click Next. Okay, fill upan nyo lamang ang inyong permanent address. Next ay yung inyong mailing address. Click Next. Tax treaty naman ang ating sasagutan. Yes or no? Are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? Of course, yes. Resident, hanapin lang yung Philippines. Then, i-check yung box. Then, special rates and condition. Lagyan ng checking services. I-click ang article and paragraph. Article 8 and paragraph 1. Withholding rate. Select 0% reduced treaty rate. Lagyan ng check ang box. Click Next. Then, document preview. Pwede nyo siyang i-click, i-check nyo kung tama yung details na nilagay nyo. Then, lagyan ng check yung I confirm. Then, click Next. Certification. Ilagay lamang yung inyong full name na ginamit dun sa inyong Google Adsense. So, ito na pala yung form kanina. Pabagal kasi yung net. Check nyo lang kung tama yung info na nakalagay. Are you the person listed in the signature section? Of course, yes, I am the person listed in the signature section. And then click next. Activities and services performed in the US. Has the individual or entity identified in the tax identity section performed any activities and services for Google within the US? Of course, no. Then check the small box. Status change affidavit. Are you providing tax info for a new or existing payments profile? Siyempre, hindi pa naman tayo nakaka-receive ng payment, kaya ang pipiliin natin ay yung una. I am providing tax info for a new. Then, click next. Paperless delivery agreement. Lagyan ng check yung box. I accept the paperless delivery agreement. Then, click submit. So, ayan, approve na po tayo. After nyan, makaka-receive po kayo ng email galing kay YouTube. So, ganyan lamang po mag-fill up para sa mga hindi taga-US. So, hanggang dito na lamang po ang aking video tutorial. Kung hindi pa po kayo nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, pindutin lamang po ang subscribe button at isama na din ang notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa aking bagong upload. Thank you!